And tell us what happened to Saleh. What's the white context on a bit?
No, but on a serious note, the issue is sensitive kakhulu.
Yeah.
Because I think the only people who know what happened is between him, the club, and his agent. I saw, in fact, his agent.
Had an interview.
I don't know what came out of that interview, but it's a very sensitive. I mean, even us within the team, you know, if you wanted to know exactly what happened, you had to ask.
Yeah.
Usalik, and there was a time where he wasn't even coming anymore, you know, because of the suspension. So. I have his numbers, by the way. Yeah, I'm late.
Yeah,
but honestly, I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, I'll be honest with you. I don't know.
Especially being a captain, it must be a difficult time when your teammate, because you guys are brothers, you're close, and is going through something like that. How do you manage it as a captain?
Whenever we were with him, he was okay. He was like normal. You understand? You couldn't see that something is affecting him. He was fine. He was smiling. You know, he doesn't speak a lot. No, skip. That's it. So you wouldn't feel it. No, there's something happening. Yeah, no, Kishap, everything is sorted. So they are affected next.
Yeah.
The only thing that they call and she is told from the outside.
Of course.
You know, people from the outside making up stories, saying this and that. But internally, it was, the changing room was okay. And we are football people, bands, shy bands, we seem chatting that acting. We are no corners, you always go in cup finals, you always go more. It was always bands, so we were but like you couldn't see, man, no, he wasn't okay. I think the days where he was not fine, we got a report and then bang is nasi team. But teen as a machita, obviously we knew what was happening from the outside, but must now. And I mean, it's tricky then because mostly no muntu angeke utenda tangizwile lapha isitori. You understand? Approach. But for me personally, the guy is okay. I still talk to him, but the way he's fine. He's happy where he is. He's trying to push, you know. And no, we wish you all the best. You're talented. I mean, you're an asset like South Africa. I wish everything can go well for you and says.
Do you think Saleh will ever go back to Pirates?
I don't know. As a former captain of the club, I would like to see him back playing to his best, but I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
Do I have to do 5 subs? Do I? Is everybody alright? Saleh, are we alright? No. Okay, out. Where is Nkota?
He's outside.
Take Nkota.
What caused the situation?
What caused the situation? Oh.
Where all it started. Saleh, are you okay? And where is Kota? The rest, as they say, is history. And Muhau Kota is now playing in the Saudi Arabia League. He is now one of the most highest paid South African footballer, multi-millionaire at 20 years old. It took one moment in the Cullen Black Label Cup when former Paris coach Jose Riveiro asked Saleh if he is okay. The answer was no. The young Kota was thrown in the deep end. Although Paris lost to Magesi FC, Kota did enough to impress Riveiro and his tactical team. A few days later, Kota scored 2 beautiful goals against Amazon in his full debut for Paris, most assisted by Cocomelon. Relemo Fouquet, the two boys' development product, went on to dominate and write their names in the history books in continental competition. Kota dominated both Belouizdad and UCM Ajax in the Champions League. He was named the mayor of Ajax. Whilst all this was happening, Saleh skipping training session of Orlando Pirates, and a lot was written on different media platforms. It was reported allegedly that he wasn't happy with his contract. It was also alleged that he wasn't happy that Pirates rejected any offer from overseas teams. Sadly, the Saleh saga divided the Bucks fan base into two, as it often happens with star players. Some fans felt the club must give Saleh whatever he wants, ignoring that the player had a binding contract and that not reporting for duty when you have legal contract is unprofessional behavior and serious misconduct. Pirates went to Spain for pre-season camp. Saleh wasn't part of the Pirates camp, wasn't part of the Pirates season camp. Muhau Kota, who made his debut for Orlando Pirates in late 2024, got a lucrative move to Saudi Arabia. His life changed in less than 7 months, from DDC to where is Gota, and the rest is history. I'm mentioning all this to emphasize the point that no matter how good you are, there's always someone who can replace you. The departure of Muhau Kota opened the door for one player, Tsepa Moremo, who joined Orlando Pirates from Amazulu. Currently, Moremo is one of the best players in the PSL. Take nothing away from Saleh and his massive contribution of Orlando Pirates in the ship is cruising smoothly without Saleh. Pirates have quality and depth in this position. Moremi, in his own words, says in his own words, his life has changed since joining Orlando Pirates. That's what happened when you play for Pirates. Your life changed, but don't forget that you can be easily replaced at Orlando Pirates. We wish Saleh all the best of Sundowns. The institution will continue to produce top quality players. Pirates will continue to change lives as any institution since 1937. The lives of Teko Modise, Cheese, Lodge, Saleh, Gift has had issues with the club of Orlando Pirates or has fallen out of favor with the coaches. The club cannot afford to keep players who are sunken and disturbing the dressing room. It's well documented that some of these players you mentioned become a big headache and starting behaving like unprofessional. I think what confuses many Orlando Pirates fans is one thing about Orlando Pirates. Also myself, I never seen a big club selling their best player to their rivals like Orlando Pirates does. Like Paris does. You go to Europe, you never see Real Madrid selling their best players to Barcelona. If you aspire to be dominant and win the league title, you do not threaten your rivals. Your rival by giving them your best players. Sundowns did not become dominant just by football philosophy only. They understand that you do not sell your best players to your rivals. Sundowns has never sold a player in their prime to Paris or Chiefs, but Paris always do. No wonder Sundowns have 17 league titles and Paris only have 9 league champions. Monopoly Saleh's departure from Orlando Pirates is a significant lose for the club, given his talent and contribution. He was a key player, scoring 27 goals and providing an assist in 103 appearances. Saleh's assist comes after a turbulent spell of Paris with reports of tactical disagreement and limited game time. The loss of Saleh, his creativity will be missed in the attacking midfield. Squad rebuild. Pirates may need to look for replacement, potentially reshaping their squad dynamics. Financially gain, the club might benefit financially from the transfer window depending on the deal. Saleng has joined Mamelodi Sundowns rival club which might add to Pirates' disappointment, but Rele Mufokeng made Orlando Pirates fans to forget about Thembinkosi Lorch. Also, Police also made Pirates fans to forget about Saleng. Moremi made Pirates fans to forget about Mohaukot. Orlando Pirates, they know how to replace their players, and I believe they have found their replacements. The replacement of Mbogazi, cause they have Sesane, Nda, one of them must step up and also close that position. And all the hope, talks, cry and noise by Orlando Pirates supporters, fans that Saleng is coming back has been dashed into pieces. Saleng is now Mamelodi Sundowns player and will be playing in the CAF Champions League, and that's the production, that's the headache. This move will stick Paris supporters, fan favorite, loser amid all internal issues now resurfaces at their biggest dominant domestic rivals. Sundowns didn't just sign a winger; they signed element. For Saleng, it's a redemption. For Sundowns, it's a reinforcement. For the league, it's a warning. The champion not only doing, and the second half season of the season just got very uncomfortable for everyone.
While we're still here together, just try and enjoy the moment. Because one day this will end. It will end. True. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yep.
So just like stop thinking about what's wrong, what's whatever. Just enjoy it because
Enjoy the moment.
it's gonna.
But don't tell no lie about me, and I won't tell truths about you.
Air Force 8, just step on niggas. Brand new Air Force 8, just step on niggas.